Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Alright, so trackies, this evening was the 63rd RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year ceremony. So if you hear my voice, it means it's done and dusted. It's over. The results are in. So the winners for the most prestigious sporting award in Jamaica are Shericka Jackson and Antonia Watson. Whoop whoop! They both walk away with the Sportswoman and Sportsman of the Year award. Hearty congratulations to them both. Now, track is Shericka Jackson and Antonia had phenomenal years in 2023. Track is going on to win world championship titles. Antonia Watson, the first for Jamaica in 40 years, winning that 400-meter title, gold, walking away with that, running a phenomenal personal best as well, 44.13 seconds. Absolutely phenomenal year for him, making his first senior team and standing atop the world. As it relates to Shericka Jackson, she defended her 200-meter title, lowering her time as the second fastest ever over the 200-meter distance, 21.41 seconds, plus also running the fifth fastest time in history, 10.65 seconds. Track is a phenomenal season from Shericka Jackson. She also went on to claim double titles from the Diamond League, or double trophies at the Diamond League finals. Track is so Shericka Jackson had her best year to date in 2023, and so did Antonia Watson, and both deservedly walk away with the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award. The runner-up winners of the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award are both Hansa Parchment and Daniel Williams. Now, both Hansa Parchment and Daniel Williams had absolutely phenomenal years. Daniel Williams coming back in 2023 to win her second world title over the women's 100-meter hurdles distance from lane 2, blindsiding everybody and snatching that win from the gun. Absolutely fantastic win. And also Hansa Parchment coming from behind, as he typically does, and snatches silver in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Also, Hansa Parchment went on to win the Diamond League trophy, running a massive personal best, 12.93 seconds, to round out his season. Now, I know a lot of people in the comment section earlier, when I talked about who I believe would win this award, there are a lot of voices that were saying they believe that Hansa Parchment had the better year over Antonia Watson. But track is, I didn't take that time, to describe or to explain to you guys why it is that Antonia Watson's achievement in 2023 outstrips anything that Hansa Parchment did. So I'm going to break it down. I'm going to use some, random analogy that I'm thinking of in my head right now. So when you look at the medal table at a global championships, it's ranked by gold, silver, and bronze, right? And the only thing that can supersede one gold medal is two gold medals, right? So let's say, for instance, a country which we've seen many times only has one gold medal, and maybe Jamaica in this particular year gets no gold medals. Jamaica on that medal table is sitting behind that country with only one medal on the table because they have one gold medal. So it doesn't matter how many silvers and bronzes are piled up behind, it does not and cannot supersede one gold medal. So I'm saying this to say, trackies, regardless of what Hansa Parchment achieved that year, the silver medal, trackies, as well as the Diamond League title, the trophy, it would not be able to supersede Antonia Watson's one gold medal. So trackies, gold medals cannot be outdone by anything else but gold medals. Not taking anything away from Hansa Parchment, phenomenal athlete, love him to death, trackies, and he's always done great for Jamaica. However, this year was Antonia Watson's year, and he's well deserving of the win. But trackies, it didn't stop there for Antonia Watson for the night. Trackies, he won the People's Choice Award as well. Now, this one, as I did say in my preview video, was a doozy for me. It was hard for me to pick out an actual moment that I believe stood out above, the others. I was tossing between Antonio Watson. I was tossing with Daniel Williams, as well as the Reggae Girl performances, as well as the netballer as well. So there are a few performances as well that stood out to me. And as I look here, I don't know which one is better because all of them for me were very, very significant trackies. So Antonio Watson, at the end of the day, based on votes by the people, walked away with the People's Choice Award. Now, trackies, both Shericka Jackson and Antonio Watson had their award winning speech, and Shericka Jackson shed some light into the struggles that she faced right before the pandemic. Now, trackies, the pandemic, I've spoken about this before, but was a blessing for many people, while it was a curse also for many. So, when it comes to Shericka Jackson, she was diagnosed with multiple stress fractures, trackies, and the year 2020, when everyone had to sit out, was a blessing in disguise for Shericka Jackson because she was able to successfully switch events and become a dominant force in global sprinting for women, full stop, and will go down in history as one of the greatest to ever do it. Now, trackies, as it relates to Antonio Watson, he freestyled and I loved it. One bob, he definitely came out and he spoke from his heart, trackies, and he definitely touched us all with his speech, trackies, letting us know that at the beginning of the 2023 season, he didn't foresee himself here, but now he is a champion, trackies. And of course, track is our very own young starlet in track and field, one that we're looking out for 2024 to do phenomenal things on the global stage, possibly challenge a certain triple jump world record. Track is 18.29 meters. Wow, that would be crazy. Jadon Hibbert was there, in typical Jadon Hibbert style. Track is enjoying himself and enjoying the moment. Well, for Jadon, he walked away with the Youth Award. Track is for 2023. And of course, that was also absolutely deserved as well because he had a fantastic season, breaking records upon records, trackies. I'm talking about indoor NCAA record, outdoor NCAA record, trackies. Not to mention, trackies, all these records are world junior records. It's a fantastic year for Jadon. The only thing that stopped him was an injury in the World Championship final, crushing many hearts, including myself, trackies. But guess what? There's a lot of time left for us to dominate the world. And yes, I did say us. Because we will be there along with Jadon, enjoying the moment, enjoying his achievements, trackies, and watch him create history. But with that said, trackies, I want y'all to sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. So Shericka Jackson walks away with the Sportswoman of the Year award, and Antonio Watson walks away with the Sportsman of the Year award. Did you foresee them both winning, or are you on the side where you believe that somebody else should have walked away with the win? And who do you believe should have won, and why do you believe they should have won? Make sure while you're saying all these things in the comment section, trackies, you congratulate the actual winners for their performances and, of course, walking away with this phenomenal award for 2023 as we look forward to more epic performances from them in 2024 and, of course, tussle by the end of the year to see who will walk away with that title again for 2024. Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.